Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes enable or turn on microphone access in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Sound, click Microphone. Click Allow under Audio. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Enable microphone device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.